Major bacterial cell activities. So, the microbial cells, which live in groups called microbial communities. So, they have this bacterial activity metabolism. So, they take up nutrients from the environment, they transform them into new cell materials, and they turn it out into a waste products. So, they have the glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and even electron transport chain. So they use the enzyme. So this is a catalyst, a type of protein, which is required to carry out reactions that supply the energy and precursors necessary for the biosynthesis of all cell components. So these enzymes and other proteins are synthesized during gene expression in the sequential process of transcription and translation, wherein the transcription, it is the process by which the information on DNA is copied into an RNA molecule. So DNA, it is a two or double-stranded DNA wherein the RNA is such a single-stranded. So the translation, this is a process whereby the information on our na RNA molecule is used by a ribosome to synthesize a protein. And that's all. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.